Hello everyone, here you can see you just have to first make some of the square using a thread for the portion that is to be worn out, and once you're done with it you just have to repeat it again from four both ends. After that you just have to build it until you are just going to fill the hole with this thread. It looks so cute. It's actually represent to the full curry work that is famous in the Punjab. Let's move further with another type of the activity. Here you can see this is the hole that is to be created at the center. After that, with the help of the thread, you just have to build it in this circular shape. One after the another, we are building it as apparent here. With the help of the thread, you just have to pull it at the center as shown here. This is again very cool and again very beautiful pattern that you can create at home. If you have some worn out clothes and you just want to recreate such patterns, see how beautiful this turns to be at the end. Let's now move further with another activity. You can see here this interlock stitching is to be worn out. Then you just have to make use of the thread and the needle, and you can see how you just have to place it. You just have to make a knot at the center. Then you just have to pull the needle. You can just repeat this process from both the ends again and again until the length of the stitch that is worn out is completed. Just follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused. Once you have completed this work, you just have to trim down the rest of the thread and you just have to open the needle. Let's move further and let's show you today how you can build the two ends together, how you can stitch the two ends together. For this one, we are taking this bold green thread so that it's apparent to you how you just have to follow the each step properly. Just pause the video and follow the each step in a sequential manner so that you don't get confused. This type of the stitching is very unique and the results are going to be so wonderful once you are done with it. See how patterns are created. Let's move towards another activity. Again, we are making use of the needle and the thread, and you can see how we are making and folding them and creating some of the hooks at the center over which we are placing the thread and then pulling it towards the upwards direction. You just have to remain focused while you just have to follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. Just pause the video so that you don't get confused and definitely give this one a try. It turns to be so beautiful at the end. Let's now move further with another activity. Here we have taken some of the thread and the needle. You can see the line that is created as a base. We are just placing it one after the another, and you can see these vertical lines are to be created with the help of the thread. You just have to repeat this process till the whole stitching that is worn out is to be complete. Just follow the each step properly in a sequential manner and you can see how beautiful this turns to be. Let's now move further with another activity. You can see we have just trimmed down the sleeve. There is a hole created, and after that you are taking some of the socks and the upper portion from the heel area is to be trimmed down as shown here. You just have to place it inside the sleeves that is you have already trimmed down. Now with the help of this thread and the needle, you can see how we are fixing them together. You just have to take the thread, you just have to place it along the direction that's somewhat vertical and insert the needle, then pull it towards the upwards direction, but you just have to make a knot simultaneously when you are just stitching it towards the upwards direction. Just pause the video and follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. Once you're done with the stitching, you just have to pull the whole thread together and it looks so beautiful. Definitely give this one a try. This is one of the beautiful type of the artifact that we have created. You can see how this turns to be at the end. Thank you.